In this video, I'll guide you through how to find out-of-state property owners in PropWire. Hey, welcome back guys. So today we are talking about your PropWire account. And more specifically, I'm going to show you how to find out-of-state property owners using PropWire. This can be a useful search if you are involved in wholesale real estate or property investing, because out-of-state owners can sometimes be a good group to target when looking for potential sellers. Since these owners do not live near the property they own, they may have different reasons for considering a sale. The process is handled directly inside your PropWire dashboard. I already have my PropWire account open, and this is the main home screen. To start finding out-of-state property owners, the first thing you need to do is choose your target area. Depending on your strategy, you can search by a city, county, or zip code. For this example, I'll enter a specific city and select that area. Once the area is selected, PropWire will display all of the properties available in that location. Now to filter these properties and find only out-of-state owners, go to the lead types section. Inside lead types, scroll through the available options until you find out-of-state owners. Select that option, and PropWire will automatically filter the results to show properties where the owner's mailing address is located outside of the property's area. The reason this information is available is because it comes from public records, usually connected to property tax records. When property owners update their mailing address with the local taxing authority, that information can be used to identify owners who live in a different state or location. After applying the out-of-state owner filter, you can continue narrowing down the list based on your specific buying criteria. For example, you may want to focus only on certain property types, such as single-family homes. You can also use the additional filters in the More section to refine the list further. Another useful filter is financial information. For example, you can narrow the results by estimated equity and look for out-of-state owners who have significant equity in their properties. Adding more filters can help create a more focused list of potential sellers. Once you have all of your filters set, save your changes and review the updated results. This allows you to create a more targeted list instead of searching through every property in the area. So there you have it. That is how to find out-of-state property owners using your PropWire account. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.